Welcome everyone to Mount Baker Snoqualmie National Forest. Welcome back to the continuation of our adventures in Index, Washington. In today's episode, we will travel just down the road to Heybrook Lookout Trailhead. This moderately strenuous hike offers incredible views of the surrounding mountains, as well as the town of Index. This will be our final hike for the day with rewarding panoramic views of sunset. Tomorrow, we will begin our scenic drive towards the Bavarian town of Leavenworth, Washington. As always, sit back, relax, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest travel content. Alright guys, we are going to do the Heybrook Ridge Lookout Trail. Oh, the town here was very popular in the lumber industry here, as you could see right down here. Jeez. There's also bears, all kind of different things here. Coyotes. I think that's the right one though.
I do too.
If you guys could tell me in the comments what these trees are. I don't know if they're aspen or what. Oh wow. 1.7 miles to Heybrook Ridge Summit.
That's it right there.
Okay. Want to do it?
Yep.
Alright guys, I'm not going to film on the way up, I'm going to film the whole way down though, because it's just, I don't want you guys hearing my breathing the whole way. See you at the top. I hear some people. I'll think I'm going to interrogate them. Alright guys. We have finally made it to the top of this. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this. I'm gonna go this way. Oh. This was absolutely worth it. I think this is that mountain road.
Oh, Christ.
I don't think... Oh. What do you think?
That was a tough hike.
That was.
But it was good.
We did it.
Very good.
All right, guys, my dad's gonna go up there and film because I'm extremely afraid of heights. So.
Where you at, Louie? Hang on a second. There you are. There he is. It's scary. But nice. Yeah.
I'm gonna film the entire way down now, or at least some glimpses of it, because we're gonna kind of have to keep our eyes peeled here. Alright guys, this beautiful depiction here shows the town of Index. So currently we are right here. There's a swimming hole in the river right by the bridge and everything. So, and then also you can see the Bush House hotel and restaurant is right here. And also in the town of Index there is it's called the Index Town Wall, and it's what rock climbers pretty much use all throughout the town to climb up to Mount Index. Here's the various types of salmon and fish that are found here in the rivers. Wow.
There's eagles here.
It says Index is a very special place, and we're glad that you like it. But it's just a place with mountains and rivers and trees and big boulders. It's cool. Here's also some of the hiking trails here. Bridal Veil, 4 miles round trip, 1,000 feet of elevation gain. Not too bad. Lake, what's it called? Crescent, that's easy and flat. Index Wall is very steep. So, really cool, guys. Alright guys, my dad's trying to repair his foot over there after our hike. We're just gonna walk along the river and take it easy. Look, there's a chair here. Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna walk over to this kind of like a waterfall section. By the way, there's a few waterfalls along this creek, and you can see how crystal clear it is. Oh, there's a dead fish right over there. Wow, is this crazy? I absolutely love rivers like this too. Oh my God. It's so crystal clear. Thank you guys for watching today's Washington hiking adventure to the Heybrook Lookout. It's in the beautiful town of Index, Washington, and we'll see you as our Pacific Northwest tour continues.